Saturday morning, I wake up about 5:40 in the morning, get my breakfast, load up all my stuff for the car, and head out to my grandma's. I pull up over there, and the sunrise is looking, well, I wouldn't call it a sunrise, a little past that now, but the sun looked real pretty sitting in the yard in the morning. All of our flowers are looking nice, everything's looking real pretty out there. So this is the Caprice. Like I said, I got it down in the driveway. I'm getting ready to wash it here. I got all my cleaning supplies out, got my wash bucket, the hose set up, everything. Getting ready to clean this thing up. It really ain't too bad, but it definitely needs washed. So I get the car all washed up, got the engine bay cleaned up, washed the wheels, tires, everything like that. About got it ready for the show here. Vacuumed the interior out, got all that cleaned up. It's all pretty much ready to go. Just kind of got to clean up my supplies again and get ready, pack up some chairs and a couple things like that, and be ready to shoot out here. See what's going on up here at the show. I'm about to show you a couple little still frames of the engine bay once it was cleaned up. I think there's one of the car too. Maybe not, but got everything cleaned up. Alright, so it's about 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm up here at my grandma's. Just got the Caprice all cleaned up, washed. Everything's ready to go here. So, about to put my stuff up and head over to the fair here, see what this car show is about. Should be pretty cool. We had a problem, so I'm only taking one car this weekend. I planned on taking the Impala and the Caprice, but turns out I'm only going to be able to take the Caprice. But that's alright. Should be pretty fun. Pretty fun day. So I have a hell of a time finding the entrance for the car show. I ended up going to the wrong gate 3 times, and the people told me the car show didn't start till 8 p.m. But we finally got it in there, got it all set up, and then go check out some of the other cars.
I like the skeleton mermaid. Skeleton mermaid, I want it. Oh, ew, that is skeleton mermaid. He's cool. Like his hair. Oh, the next one you're gonna do is gonna be purple. I don't have $1. If I did, I would.
Sorry, he made excited.
I only take cards.
If they took card, would you willing? Look, this is exactly what I called my grandpa. Rather like this and yellow. It's the moss with the louvers on the back. Remember I was telling you? Huh? I didn't want to touch it. It was a four. It's a nice part. That's exactly what it looks like here. We have just like this and yellow. They're not bad. Good guys.
A shirt with a car on it.
Let's see the best part. Tail lights. Nice steps out. Yeah, this stuff nice. Yeah. That'll work. Slightly familiar with it.
That's cool. You see all the modifications he made to it?
That's how you know the bumpers on the wheels. They use two different colors for it. Sometimes you guys at the red straw.
I forgot my Jeep is nice.
This is somehow it took that far.
Good morning, viewers.
The little elf.
Our sponsor of the day today is Comfort Suites.
Oh wow.
Today, Saturday at 8 a.m., the car show started. It's continuing at Union County 40.
Cook-off contest.
Oh shit. That's right. LS2, LS3. Yeah, I haven't turned them in yet.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure you got them.
When you gotta have them in by?
You can just, well, we don't give the awards till 3 o'clock.
Oh,
so just
okay.
get it in by 2 o'clock.
Alright, after we make our rounds, I'll get it up there.
Yep, maybe there's some behind the building, so there's some across over there.
LS2s, LS3s, empty. We've been great on the control lines. You thought you had a regular motor? If you give me $50, I'll flip this car over. Right? That truck got a twin. Looks like it's not a chance here. This one is on. Oh, yeah. Look at this. This is
The other one is just
yeah, this is
because I do remember the color. This
new.
one's like
It's
more
too
like
good to be true. This wasn't good.
this one's more
Where's
cherry
the
red.
other one?
The other one.
The other one's down there. That's the
The other one's
that's the
more of
second
like
one.
a darker red.
Oh, it is. Chop top. little front shit. And there's got to be. This is our school. 442 with the dual exhaust. So much rumble in the back of my lung. Still have a rocket in it. With the rocket. And let's get that boy stuff in the back. It's nice. Oh, no, they're not the only ones got fire. Sure things. Oh yeah, this is cool wagon here.
I like the height on this one.
I don't forget this. Look at the front. You can see it.
Every time I turn that key, I see her shotgun riding down the 2-lane road, just riding around with no place to go. Singing along to where the green grass grows, hands out the window floating on the creek. She's fixing her lips in the drop.
Relentless Beats. You part of that?
No.
Is that your squad?
I'm a reckless beast.
Yeah, you are Reckless Beats.
Yeah.
It's got one nose on it. I always like to see nice Chevy stuff in there. Great system. I like this truck too. I like this. Since they weren't doing the actual awards till 3, we had a little bit of time to kill, so we head out, check out what's going on at the fairgrounds. Slide this in my shit.
But what was that other one? Was that a too? The one that I thought was a big gig? And it wasn't?
I didn't need to give up that dog.
This is the one I was talking about. I thought it was
You're getting the thing. No. Unless they're taking. Oh, they're taking all the old schools out. Just like that.
Okay.
I like this one. Yeah. I didn't shake it. Damn, it's a 47.
Can you put rims on
Maybe.
them? I'm gonna put rims on a tractor.
You gotta get a tractor first.
Who said I don't have one? Who said I haven't been looking?
That's your wagon to do?
No. It was the green one over there though.
Both of us are hungrier than a hostage right about now, so we stop and get some lunch. We grab Nelson's. Locally, they're pretty famous for their pit barbecue. It's fire, but it costs about 50 bucks. After that, I got roped into browsing for campers. I don't know how, but that's what happened. Or if you get on Facebook Marketplace, you get this same one for $1,500. Looks just like it. Might smell a little bit. Third person. You better be little if you want to stay in this trailer.
I need this. I want to move in right now. Oh, I can just live here. Dude, this is so cute.
I don't know, it's real hot in here, so I'm gonna go back out.
It is.
Chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang. Oh, chitty chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang. We love you and it. Chitty chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang.
Put them on the back. You put them on the back.
In a motor car, one time we'll spend. Bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang. All my own and good friend. Bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang. All my own and good friend. Chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang. Chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang. Oh, chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang.
Yeah. Somebody was shitting on people in this thing out.
Bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang. All my own and good friend.
Fifth wheel?
Bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang. All my own and good friend.
Up and on west. Straight 8. Damn. Someone's got an AC there. See that? Oh,
That is Ooh, that is classy.
you put me on the front of this thing like
This should be alright. Better do it for each other. Whoa.
I think it's the one from the last show. 4 speed.
I like this.
These are some of the still frames I took. There's a trike with a small block in it. Get the major go-kart, obviously. A little bug, looks like Trey's. This Pontiac Catalina was pretty hard. That was nice also. This little hauler was pretty cool. Had a lot of modern stuff put inside of it, but also it looked old school. Had the pinstriping. That was a cool ride. The Bronco obviously was clean. This car was super cool, man. We make our way back to our car here and take a couple pictures before we head out. Alright, so Saturday. Great show, great time. Update about the car show. So I ended up having to leave right before they did the awards. Basically, they were dragging the stuff out way too long, and I had to go do a couple things in the afternoon. So we cut out early before the awards, like literally about 15 minutes before. But something was telling me to call up there and see if I won something. So I got a hold of the guy who was running the car show, a guy by the name of Steve. Shout out to Steve, because he was very helpful. But Steve informed me that I had, in fact, won a prize at the car show. And I didn't claim it, obviously, because I cut out before it happened. But I'm going to be meeting with him later the week to get the prize and get my trophy or whatever it is. I don't know if it's a plaque or a trophy, whatever it is, and see exactly what the car placed in. But overall, it was a pretty fun time, man. I mean, there was a lot of nice cars out there, but I'll say this, it was the same damn cars that come out to every one of these local shows that I go to, and I guess that's to be expected, but it just kind of, you know, you go out and you see the same car at every show, and it kind of ruins it. Well, don't ruin it, but you know, you get sick of seeing the same damn cars. So, but overall, it's pretty fun time, man. I'll definitely be back up there next year. I would say it was cool because we were up there early when the fair hadn't opened yet, so we were able to get, you know, food and get all that, and there wasn't an insane amount of people, so that was nice. We ended up spending about $100 on fair food, but that's another story. In between Nelson's and fried Oreos and drinks and whatever else we got, added up, plus the entry fee for the show. But it's a pretty fun time, man. I'll definitely be back next year. I have to figure out what we're about to eat for dinner now.